there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of People versus Darrell Walker. This is ticket number good morning. Ticket number SP 1278333. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please, first.
Yes, good morning, Judge. For the record, Marie Garian on behalf of the defendant, P13853.
And sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
Darrell Kevin Walker.
Thank you so much. Counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Judge, we did have an opportunity to speak with the prosecutor, and my client would be pleading guilty to the charge of improper plate, with the understanding the other charges would be dismissed. I have explained to him all of his constitutional rights, and he's waiving those, Judge. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. Sir, if you want to take advantage of this offer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Walker, did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that yet?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward, sir?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of 11/12/2021. Sir, at that time, did you own a GMC vehicle?
Yes, I did.
And did it not have any car insurance on it at that time, on that day?
No, I didn't.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Judge, I think it was the improper plate and not the no insurance.
So I'm going to have to amend it to improper plates from no insurance because you don't have an improper plates. So I'm going to amend it to no insurance. And will you stipulate that it was in the area of Mound Road and East Robinwood Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
All right, thank you. All right, satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, but I want to clarify it's improper plate and not. Yeah.
Mr. Gagarin, I'm going to change it to improper plates, but right now I'm just establishing that it was this for this.
Thank you so much, Judge. Yes, everything's fine. Thank you.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on count 2. The no insurance is going to be amended to improper plates. The remaining 2 counts, 1 and 3, will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200. How long would that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30.
All right, so I'll have it due no later than April 14th, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're very welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you, attorney.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day. Thank you.
You too. Thank you. Mr. Upshaw? Attorney Upshaw?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna have to, I don't know what happened to your client. Oh, he put it in.
Oh.
You need his P number.
Okay, can I have your P number, please, Attorney Upshaw?
Yes, Your Honor. Randall Upshaw, P number 43574, on behalf of Mr. Christopher Youssef.
Oh, no, I didn't call it yet, Mr. Upshaw.
Okay.
All right, now calling the matter of the People versus Christopher Youssef. This is ticket SP 1398575, count 1, speeding 26 to 30 miles over posted speed. Count 2, varying course without signal or safe observation. Count 3, failed to no valid registration certificate. May I have your appearance for the record, please?
Randall Upshaw, P number 43574, on behalf of Mr. Youssef.
All right, Mr. Youssef, can you state your name for the record, please?
Christopher Noah Youssef.
All right, today is the date and time set. I know it says on the docket for a formal hearing. However, it's my understanding that this was supposed to be placed on my docket for a formal hearing and it was not. And so the officers have not been alerted to this. The quickest I can get it in is April the 4th. Are you available that day, council?
Your Honor, April the 4th. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so we'll do it April the 4th at 9 AM. I apologize, but I know they weren't notified on this date and time. So then if they don't show up, you'll know the appropriate measures and motions to make that day, okay, attorney?
Have a good day, Your Honor.
You too, thank you. All right,
Bye-bye.
Mr. Yusuf, bye-bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome, all right. Attorney Baldwin, is there an order I should go in, or I'm just good with the people in the waiting room? We ready with the people in the waiting room, Attorney Baldwin, or you need a moment?
Sorry, Your Honor, I know you were talking to me, but I
It's okay.
didn't hear you. Ready
You
to
need a
go.
moment? Are you good?
Give me 30 seconds. I'm gonna go back.
Okay, I can give you a moment. I was gonna say, just let me know, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
morning, the person on the iPhone, what's your name?
Latoya Weston.
Okay, just one moment. Okay, Ms. Whetstone, I have you checked in. Would you please turn your video on?
Okay, yeah, 1 second. I just have to click in.
Okay, Ms. Whetstone, would you hold the camera just below your chin? All right, thank you. I'm going to put you in a waiting room so that you can speak with the attorney.
Okay.
Did you want to say something, Judge, before I do?
No, I was just noting that she was supposed to be here at 8:30 a.m. and now it's
I-
10:14.
Okay.
What, Ms. Winston?
I wanted to say something. I'm sorry. I didn't know I had to call the court because I didn't know exactly what time I was supposed to be here, but I did know it was the 14th.
Right. Ms. Weston, in the future, when you know you have a court date, you shouldn't be calling the morning of trying to scramble around and figure it out. When you're responsible, you call the night before and try and figure it out, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You go ahead and put her in the breakout room so she can talk to Attorney Ball. Be
Okay.
patient, okay?
Okay.
Accept the invitation to join breakout room number 3.
Okay.
All right, we're ready to do the docket.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You might not know about the other one. Oh, yeah, I have one more person who checked in too as well, Attorney Bachman. She's in room number 3, but I can do these other folks you have ready first. You checked in late, so let's get these other folks out and you can go back and talk to her, okay?
Right, Your Honor.
Jermaine Wilson. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jermaine Wilson. This is ticket SP 130652. Count 1, drive wrong way on one-way street. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, no valid registration certificate. Also calling ticket number SP 130653. 1 count driver's license never required. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Jermaine Ramon Wilson.
Judge, these matters are set for trial and the defendant is entitled to a dismissal at this point for lack of a complaining witness. So that's where we are.
The time is now 10:39 a.m. No officers haven't checked in this matter. The court will grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, they can refile this if they want to, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Keith Williams.
Yes,
All right, can you turn on your camera for me, please?
pardon me, I didn't hear you.
Can you turn your camera on for me, please?
Okay, how do I do that where it says your video is stopped?
Yes.
Okay, here,
Yeah.
well,
Now calling the matter of the people versus Keith Raymond Williams. This is ticket SP 1172598. 1 count of improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Keith L. Williams.
Thank you, Judge. The defendant presented to my attention valid registration and insurance. I have reviewed those documents. I find they are current and valid and ask that the court dismiss these cases for compliance that stipulate the probable cause.
Being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, make sure you always keep your documents valid, up to date in your vehicle, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you, attorney. Thank you.
Ren Weaver?
Hello, I'm here.
Okay, if you can turn your camera on, please.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'm sorry, it's just a little girl in the background. Let me go somewhere a little more quiet.
You got it, Mr. Weaver?
Yep. How you doing, miss?
I'm fine, thank you. Now calling the matter of people versus, thank you. Now calling the matter of people versus Ren Alexandria Weaver. This is ticket SP 1277733. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also, I have scheduled for my docket on, I think I moved it to this day. Yep, I moved it to this day. Ticket SP 1395051. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. And ticket 3 on that is narcotics and drug related violation. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. State your name, please.
Hello, I'm Ren Weaver.
Judge, there is a genuine material issue of fact such that we're asking for a waiver trial by Zoom, please.
Sir, if you would like to have that, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did, miss.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Yes, miss.
All right, so I'm gonna set it for the date of May 24th. May 24th via Zoom. So the
May
same way you
24th.
did today. Zoom
Okay.
in, okay? May
Yes, ma'am.
24th, 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay? 9 a.m. May 24th, okay, sir?
Okay, 9 a.m. May 24th.
All right, see you then.
All right, thank you so much, miss. You have a great day.
You too. Thank you very much. I appreciate it, okay?
Anytime. Thank you very much.
Sarah Waller.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, how you doing today?
Fine, unless you're wrapped up in your bed or couch, sleep. You got a cover on you or you good?
It's a jacket, Your Honor.
It's a jacket. Okay, thank you. It looked like a cover, a quilted cover.
It is
Okay.
comfortable looking.
Okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Sarah Waller. Are you still there, Miss Waller? Can you hear us? Oh, okay, I thought it was, it's okay. I'll give her a second to come back on. There it is.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear us, Miss Waller?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Sarah Waller. This is ticket SP 1362813. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plates. Count 3, open alcohol and a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Sarah Waller.
Judge is set for trial today at 9 a.m. It's now 10:45. The defendant is entitled to a dismissal without prejudice. Please and thank you.
All right, the time is now 10:45 a.m. No officer being present for this. The court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure they can't refile this, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
Okay, well, I received something in the mail saying about dismissal.
No,
Or
but you can go online in a couple of days and print something out that says it's been dismissed, okay?
okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Mm.
Thaddeus White.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Thaddeus White. This is Z ticket 8087191. This is one count operating while intoxicated. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Thaddeus White.
Thank you. There's just a date and time for a trial in this matter, and without a complaining witness, we'll be asking the court to dismiss the instant case without prejudice, please.
All right, the time is now 10:46 a.m. No officer being present. The court is going to dismiss this without prejudice. But Mr. White, I can tell you this, usually on operating while intoxicated cases, they always refile. So be on the lookout because they probably will refile this one, okay?
All right. Okay, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set for today, okay?
Can I ask one question?
You can.
About my license. How can I get my license back?
So you would have to go through the Secretary of State's office. We don't have anything to do with that. I do apologize, but you can let them know that it was dismissed on today. So you can print out the paperwork from the computer system tomorrow and take it to them. And then you have to appeal to them though, in order to get the license back. You don't have anything to do with that, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, bye-bye. Felicia Walker.
Yes.
You okay,
will be.
All right. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Felicia Walker. This is ticket SP 1273973. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Please the court, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am?
Alicia Walker.
Thank you. Judge, Ms. Walker presents today with valid documents. I have received from her a valid and current registration for her motor vehicle that will not expire in 2024, June 2024. So would you dismiss the instant case for compliance, please? I stipulate to probable cause.
As an officer of the court having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure to always keep your stuff up to date and valid in your vehicle, okay?
Okay.
All right, and I hope you feel better. I can tell you're in a little bit of pain today. I hope you feel better, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set for today, okay, Ms. Walker?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you can go ahead and sign off, okay, ma'am?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I got a few people in there, Attorney Boffman. Are any of them on the phone and couldn't get themselves out, or do you need to still talk to this? I have, well, 4 now because Ms. Whitstone is in there, but you need to still talk to those 3 folks.
No, I think we're done with everybody. The only person that's in the breakout room that I haven't completed is Kenyon Wright. I'm asking Ms. Walker if she can send me an offer for that individual. I don't know who else is in the breakout room. I can't see their name.
I have Mr. Lace Ware. Did you talk to them?
Compliance case, we're ready.
Okay. And then what about Tavion Williams?
Tavion Williams is a dismissal, or no, that's a plea, a guilty plea.
All right, so I'll bring those 2 out, and I know you haven't spoken to the young lady, so I'll bring them out if I can.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Lace Ware?
Yes.
All right. After you said, ooh, ma'am, this is court and we're live, so you gotta put something on real quick and then sit up for me, okay?
Sorry, Judge, I missed that. I didn't see that.
So Ms. Ware, you gotta put something on your top and then come back on the screen, okay? And I'm gonna do somebody.
Oh my God.
Okay. Tavion Williams?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tavion Williams. This is ticket number SP 1277422. Count 1, speeding 26 to 30 miles over posted speed. Count 2 of that ticket is accident, equipment violations, defective steering. Count 3 of that ticket is no valid registration certificate. Also calling ticket number SP 1277423. Count 1, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Tavion Williams.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant is going to waive his rights to any further hearings or trials. He's going to plead guilty. He did complete the better driver's course, and for that reason, the prosecutor has agreed to reduce that speeding count to 10 to 16 miles over. That's a 2-point offense, and all of the other enumerated cases that the court called will be dismissed here. I would, on his behalf, stipulate to the 4 corners of the complaint for the purpose of the plea, and I also stipulate to probable cause as to the matters being dismissed here.
Is it 11 to 15 or 6 to 10? It's 6 to 10? Did I hear right? 6 to 10?
The 2-pointer, I'm not sure.
Yes, the 6 to 10 straight speeding is the 2-pointer.
All right, and attorney, can you state your name for the record, please?
Shannon Walker, P53794 on behalf of the people.
All right, sir. And Mr. Williams, you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes, Judge.
All right, so reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis on the day of November 11th of 2021 in the area of East Auto Drive and Sunset in the city of Detroit. Mr. Williams was driving a Chevy vehicle and did exceed the speed limit doing 6 in a 10-mile-per-hour zone. I mean, 6 to 10 miles over. I apologize. Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied. Thank
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed, counsel?
So stipulated. Thank you.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge responsible for 6 to 10 miles over. Remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. Sir, that fine is $135. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infraction. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm gonna have it do no later than, I'll get my little sheet off. March 28th, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, Mr. Williams. Thank you for your patience.
Okay, thank you. Have a good
You're
one.
welcome. You too. All right, Ms. Ware, are you ready? Yeah, I'm here.
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, now calling the matter of People versus Lace Ware. This is ticket SP 1151658, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. I don't know if count 2 is on the docket. Count 2 is expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And please the court, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am?
Laceware.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant presents today with valid documents. I have received from her a certificate of insurance and registration. Both of them are current and valid for the vehicle in question. We'd ask you to dismiss for compliance and stipulate to probable cause.
All right. At this time, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice, based on her having valid docs. Ma'am, make sure to always keep your documents up to date, valid, and in your vehicle, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You are all set, okay? Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
You're welcome. Thank you, ma'am. All right. All right, the last 2 people are in the room. We have Latoya Whitstone. I don't know if he's spoken to you yet, Attorney Walker, about that case. She signed it kind of late, so she just has 2 counts. So it is a fail to display and a no insurance misdemeanor.
What room, Your Honor?
She's in room number 3, and then Mr. Wright is in room number 8.
So Mr. Boffin, then I'll meet you in room 30 after you talk to her.
All right, I see that.
Yeah, Judge.
Yeah.
The young lady had a coat on when I spoke with her. So I had no.
She did. Oh, it's okay. I was gonna say sometimes I just gotta get them together on the record. They'd be all right. I'm never rude. I just tell them, hey, you gotta put something on. She may have been coming back into the house. So she
But as crazy as it is, I would have thought she had some clothes on, but I guess she got comfortable.
Yeah.
But an attitude. Okay. All right.
All right. Should be all right. Did the attorney tell you to come back here, Ms. Whitstone?
Yes.
Okay. Put yourself on mute, please, and turn your camera off for 1 second, okay?
We're ready, Your Honor.
On both matters? Okay, yep. All right, Mr. Wright, if you could take that scarf off your head real quick, please. Thank you, sir. I'm gonna do your matter right now. Now calling the matters of the people versus Kenyon Wright. This is ticket SP 1208334. Count 1, excuse me, improper term. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1278037. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket, this ticket is on the docket. Ticket number SP 1216450. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. And ticket number SP 1216461. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bloffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your name. Judge, the defendant. Can you state your name again, please? Thank you, Mr. Wright. Judge, he's going to waive his rights to any further hearings. He's going to plead guilty. The recommendation is that he would plead on 3 separate occasions to driving while license suspended. Those counts would be reduced to failing to display a valid license, a 0-point offense. The defendant prospectively will pay a fine for those 3 counts, and the remaining 10 counts would be dismissed here. I'd stipulate the full cause for the dismissals. Thank you.
Right. Now you got some noise behind you, and I'm gonna have to ask you questions, but you can't have all that noise behind you, okay?
I ain't got nowhere else to go. I'm at work at the moment. It's the quietest place I got right now.
Let's try. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? All right. Please respond. All right. Do you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case, about your rights? Did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in any of these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention first back to the date of June 19th of 2021. Were you in the area of East Jefferson and McDougal in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes.
And was your license suspended at that time?
Yes.
I want to take your attention to the day of January 11th, 2021. Were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of East 7 Mile and Helen Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Was your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
I want to take your attention to the day of June 9th, 2021. Were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Gratiot and East 7 Mile in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And was your license suspended at the time, sir?
Yes.
Satisfied, attorney?
I'm satisfied as to all 3 counts, Your Honor.
All right, and the court is satisfied as well. It will accept the plea to the amended charge of failed to display for each one of those counts. The remaining counts will be dismissed today. All right, how many of these tickets are getting dismissed, Kaufman? Because I have, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You said 11 tickets, the balance was gonna be dismissed, the remaining 11 including the civil infractions, was that right, Attorney Walker? You know?
Yes, Judge. And you're welcome, Mr. Wright.
That's right. I was gonna say that's a big, huge thing for you. That's why I want to make sure before I did that you would have that done, sir. All right. My fine for these tickets. Let me see. Hey, sir, can you put yourself on mute? There we go. All right, my fine for these tickets is going to be $200 a ticket, but I'll give you some time to pay. I'll give you until, and you don't have to pay it all at once, you can spread it out. If I give you until June 14th, will that be enough time for you to come up with $600? You gotta unmute yourself.
I need a little longer because I'm trying to move at the moment.
You said what?
I'm trying to move at the moment. I have to move out my apartment, my lease is up. So how about August, September?
Let me see. This ticket was pass on the right lane. Is how many points? Expired plates. Wrong lane. Child. Let me see. All right, here's what I'm gonna do, since you're trying to move, and I know you're trying to get your license back, and I know you're gonna have reinstatement fees too. I'm gonna do $400, but I'm gonna have it due in July. So that's the max I can give you. I have it due July 14th, 2023. I waived the cost of fines on one of them, but you're gonna have reinstatement tickets, payments, I can tell you already, at least on, let's see, at least on 1, 2, probably at least 3 tickets, okay? And I can't do anything about those, so good luck to you, sir.
Okay.
All right, have a good day. Latoya Whitstone. Ms. Whitstone.
I'm
There you
here.
go. All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Latoya Whitstone. This is ticket SP 1177389. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Latoya Weston.
Thank you, Judge. We're asking for a pretrial date, Your Honor. The defendant's gonna come back in compliance. She's got a driving test in the near future.
Okay, all right, Ms. Wisdom, I need you to come back though. You've missed court a couple of times with me. I can see on the back of the ticket. So you have to come back to court, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna set this for May 10th. So that should give you plenty of time, okay? May 10th at 8:30 a.m. for your pretrial. Come back with the documents he told you to come back with, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay? Enjoy the rest of your day.
May 10th, is it, you said what time?
At 8:30 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
I'll continue, okay?
All right,
All right, have a good day, man.
you too.
All right. Okay. I think that's everybody. Let me close the breakout rooms just to make sure. That's